Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. Happy New Year guys. Happy 2019. I'm so looking forward to glowing in 2019 and I hope you are too. So this is the look I'll be doing for you guys today. If you're interested in it, just keep on watching. I decided to prime my eyes off camera because everybody knows how to prime the eyes by now. We just add some concealer and blend it out. And as usual, I don't set my concealer with any powder, I just go straight in with my eyeshadows. So the first palette I'll be using is the Warrior palette by JHEN. Guys, from I got this palette, I haven't stopped using it. I don't know what I was doing without this palette before. Like I saw it and I'm like, I don't need that palette, but then I got it and now I need it. So yeah. I'm going to go in with these two shadows with my Morphe M441 brush, and it's just a blending brush. I'm going to take those two colors in my crease. So guys, just going to press the colors into the crease. I'm not doing any windshield wiper motion, I'm just literally pressing the color into my crease. Okay, now that we have the colors in the crease, I'm going into the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette and I'll be taking Clove, this one right here, and I'm using a different blending brush. This one doesn't have a name. I'm just going to tap into this lightly and blend the top of the colors we just placed. Kind of want to deepen this up, so going back into the same Warrior palette by JHEN, I am taking the burgundy and the brown shade right here. I know these shadows have names, but as usual the JHEN palettes, like the shadows in the JHEN palettes, they're hard to pronounce, so it's better for me to just show you guys what I'm using since it's a video on how. For my lids, first I'm going in with the Cover FX glitter drops. I think this is really for your face, but this is too much glitter to put in your face, so I'm just going to put this on my lids. On top of that, I'm going into the Nubian palette by JHEN. Taking this shadow right here, and this one, yeah, this has like a purpley hue, so I'm hoping this shows up on my eyes. So guys, we're going to jump right into base. First, I'm going to use my Cover FX blurring primer. I'm going to take this into my problem areas, my T-zone, and right here where I have larger pores. And I don't even know why I'm putting on primer, you know. Do I need primer? What's primer, Steven?
So everybody knows what primer is.
So tell us now.
It primes the area for the application.
Excuse me. Foundation I'll be using today is the Palladio Build and Blend. This foundation is thebomb.com. You guys need to try it. If you're in Jamaica, you can get it locally at Face Forward. Locally you can get it at Face Forward. I will leave the information on the screen, like somewhere right here. It's in Ligoni in Orchid Village. That's the same place as Bitter Grill. And if you're in the US, you can just order it online. It's the Build and Blend, and it's like a dropper, you know. So the foundation, let me show you guys. The foundation kind of just, yeah, and it's really nice. You don't need to set it, and it's good for like all day. Like you don't need to pat or anything. So just gonna blend this out with my Real Techniques. I think this is the buffing brush, right? Guys, look at my skin. Oh my god, I love this foundation. To highlight, I'll be taking the Shape Tape from Tarte. Cream contour, this is not necessary at all, but I want to do it. I'll be taking the ColourPop Stick Foundation in Deep Dark 213N, and I'm just putting this by my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead because I don't really have any forehead, so not necessary, but again I want to do it. Taking my Mario Badescu spray again to dab my beauty blender. Before I blend out the highlighting concealer, I'll be blending out the foundation that I use to contour or bronze in this case, and this is the Luxie Duo Fiber powder brush. To set the concealer to highlight, I'll be using the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in Banana. And I have been living on this powder since I got it. I don't even use my Sacha Buttercup anymore. Blasphemy, right? But this powder is really good. And I don't bake, so I'm just going to take the powder and stamp it where I need it. And yes, my beauty blender is done. For all over face powder, I'll be using, say it with me, my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Setting Powder. Guys, I think it's time I use a different setting powder. It's 2019 and I've been using this L'Oreal powder since probably 2017. Not the same powder, obviously, it finished and I buy back a new one, but yeah, I think I need to try another powder. So if you like, can you leave some, so guys, can you leave some suggestions for setting powder down in the comment section below, please, so I can try them out. For blush and glow, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn palette, and I got this in my BoxyCharm. these are the colors we're working with. So I'm just going to take this shade and put it on my cheeks for my blush. Okay, so it's more glowy than it is blush, but whatever.
That is very Yeah, please don't do that.
Oh dear God, thank Jesus.
Yeah, that is bluer than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
A darker blue is here. I'm sorry, here.
This is glittery, and this looked purple. Wasn't it blue just a while ago?
It was blue just a while ago.
And it looked purple now, don't? But it looks blue on camera. Look on the camera.
Put it on your lips.
Look on the camera now. It looks blue.
Put it on your lips and let's see.
Fenty Summer Nights Mermaid Thighs. And I think this is a lip gloss. But it's weird because it looks blue and then it looks purple.
It looks blue.
You like this one?
That looks better than. That's what I intended to. That's the look I'm going for.
Oh, that's the look you're going for.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. You see, this is why I don't experiment with lip colors, because I can't. Next. So guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think about the lips in the comment section below. My boyfriend chose the colors. Let me know what you guys think. Out of my element, of course, because you know I'm more of the nude gloss. Yeah, that's my safe zone. But thank you guys so much for being here, for watching my videos. Remember to hit that subscribe button. If it is red, that means you haven't subscribed as it. So hit the bell notification right beside the subscribe button so you guys are notified whenever I upload. Like, share, and comment, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Happy New Year, guys, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.